Idol Chess. Tara, bakbakan na. Lalaro ka ba? Tama natin.
Palalo.
Low, 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 low. Low, low, low.
Wala na.
Mic check, mic check. Low, low, low.
Wala na.
Mic check, mic check.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Ay, check.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Ay, lads.
Tayo ngayon.
Need this?
Hold. Diretso na sa gitna.
Mark the target. Mark the target. Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard. The primary objective is to kill them all.
target. Relocating.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Dito sa akin ng dalawa.
Ilag.
Wala akong baril.
Target down. Bounty target is
Patay yung isa.
well done.
Ay puta, na-down pa ako. Diyan din. Shotgun lang yan
Wow! Ano pa ako dun?
Welcome to the Gulag.
Wala akong
If
baril.
you survive, you
Ina
earn
kasi
your
group.
freedom.
Naka-shotgun.
Baril ba? Shotgun lang yun. Ito yun.
Nasa full ako dun eh. So,
There's a fight kicking off. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Win here,
Sila yung
you're
nag-chopper,
in the
ano?
front line. You lose, your fight is over. Sort them out or capture the
Bahay.
objective. Split out!
Kotse.
ay?
Likod mo na. Likod mo.
Flash ako.
Sending you back to base. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Flash ako.
Did you back to base? If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Nice. Double. Flash ako. Nice. Double. Scavenger pa dito ah.
Does anyone need this?
Copy scavenger contract.
Yan, napaka-ganda eh. Wala. Ay, nawala. Puto.
Oh, may kumuha.
May Berta Bands.
Got a vehicle here.
Loot ka na lang. Kaumpisa pa lang naman eh. Wala pa siguro nag-loot dyan.
Nagbuhay sa baba?
Parang may narinig ako eh.
Bilis, sakit. Putay na to. Sakto.
Sakto. Nagmamakaawang 4K. May baril ba dyan?
Pero,
Armor here. Assault rifle marked.
di pa looted yung mga to.
Uy, nag-snipe sa akin. Galing sa building yata. Doon sa may ano. Dito. Ay,
Light vehicle here.
wrong pin.
Dito
Dito na?
nagdago na.
Oh shit, kala ko ito. Nasa baba, nasa may garage. Kala ko ikaw yun. Atin na pala eh. Airstrike yata dyan, oh. Nice!
You got this.
Kunin mo yung airstrike nila.
Shit, wala akong pera.
Loadout ka, oh.
Loadout ako men, tapos kunin ko yun.
Sila.
I'll drive.
Uy, meron. Sa loadout. Nice.
You need medical.
Sa loadout pa eh, no?
I'll drive. Mark the target.
Sa taas.
Bato, putay na to. Paping na alam mo na tawag ka.
Most wanted?
Supply veteran.
Teka lang.
I got the wheel.
Uy, putang ina.
Walang ano? Lalayo.
Kupal yun. Wala pa malapit.
Ito, scab oh. Kung abot ka.
Putang ina mo.
Sa labas ng circle.
Hirap naman dito.
May scab dito. Overheat na.
Vehicle here. I'm driving. I'm driving.
Panginam yung kupal na yun.
Target
Be
area is
advised,
marked.
friendly
Send it.
precision airstrike inbound.
GG, putay na to. Stuck pa.
Ng plates.
We lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time.
Natin siya yung lantern. Tago. Do ulit.
Wala ang drinks, man. Start mo lang yan.
Sila.
Start mo lang yan.
Sila.
target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in.
Tayo, let's
Gas is
see.
approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Vehicle marked.
Affirmative.
Your primary objective is to kill them all.
Movement!
May tao dyan.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Enemies in the area! Setting Claymore! Trophy system deployed!
May tao dyan sa blue kanina. Blue house, blue rooftop. Armor dito. Ito yata sa loob.
I'll drive.
Ayan.
Gas moving in.
Does anyone need this?
Raj on bounty contract. I got the wheel.
Tingin ko yung bounty. Pataas pa.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
I got the wheel.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Load out. Ay, kulang pa pala.
I got the wheel.
Uy. Ano nangyari yun? Na team wipe ko eh. Naglagay ako ng claymore doon. Doon sa pinanggalingan natin. Sa team wipe ang po dyan.
Body armor here.
Pwede na.
Buy station identified.
Taas. Taas na taas na natin. Tayo.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Kailan ba lalabas yung loadout?
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Hello. Dalawa men 2 box.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Does anyone need this? Vendor here if you need equipment.
May truck boy ah.
Enemy vehicle.
Be advised. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in.
Taking fire!
Oh. Yari sa'yo, man. Ayun, may tropa dun ah.
Mark the target.
You're in the gulag now. Break to our redeployment. We got a proper fight here.
Ang random yun.
Listen up,
Dali ka.
soldier. You win here and you return to the front line.
Isa na lang.
If you lose, you're done. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Taking fire!
Tangin, hindi ko makatama.
Sending you back to base.
I'm here!
It's not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Scavenger contract located.
Nandiyan ba sila, man?
Ha?
Wala naman, di ba?
Wala kanina dyan. Diyan sila galing eh. Hindi pa ako nag-loot dyan.
Baka pinag-push na ako ng mga kupal eh. Takbo na. Penog eh. Ay, nako.
Uy,
Oh shit!
siya yun eh. Siya yan.
Ay, putang ina naman! Putang ina naman!
Learn from the loss. Failure's a proper teacher.
Sila rin yun eh.
Tumatagos! Namba!
Di ba sila rin? Yung naka ano? Naka... Yung jigsaw. Ba't ko lang to si...
Yan na naman eh, ito mo.
Ball to ball.
May kalaro yan man.
Si Tubol? Sino ba yan si Tubol dati? Iba yan yata ang pangalan niya dati.
Ewan ko.
Ah, dugos ulit.
Labo naman nung kasama niya. Yung isa nakakatira. Ilang games na lang din ako.
Balik sila sa pwesto nila eh.
Get yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Enemy soldier incoming.
Uy. Yung kupal na to. Epal to.
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe
Oh.
zone.
Oh.
Tara dati.
Drop point set. Get ready.
Affirmative.
Shade you for more.
Meron? Saan ang dami ah.
Oh, binabawian.
Contact! Enemies in the area!
Your primary objective is to kill them all.
Frag them.
Isa pa, may isa pa. Parating.
Shield dito ba yan?
Good.
Armor here.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Ano?
system online.
Di pa na. Lapit. Uy, dalawa yan, Pete. Dalawa yan.
Lights out!
Wala. Red pa rin. Uy, sa kabilang bahay.
Contact!
Putang ina.
I've got you!
Push na tayo ba ya?
Taking fire!
Got
Wala na akong bala.
Ground.
Ay, kuha ka dyan, guys. Ala nyo, push na kami. Ulul.
Nice. Wala na. Team wipe.
Teamwork. RFD lang.
Palpak yung mga nag-push.
Pabalik yan.
enemy marked.
May sniper ah.
Contact!
Oh shit, ayun sa taas man. Ayun ah.
Moving here.
Ah, kita ko.
Mark the target.
Affirmative.
Uy, putay na may RPG. Baka ko man.
Push ko rito to.
Sa akong bala. Ah, puta, kitang kita ako.
Nagpo-push sa'yo?
May pa nga ako eh. Balik ako sa barn. Sana akong bala.
Uy, may tao sa'yo.
Puta. Wala na akong bala. Dalawa na yung boy ah. Nasa baba.
Ah, tangin na. Nadang ko pa yung kasama niya.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy.
Yun yata yung ano, pinatay natin.
Your teammate got a proper sortie. We're sending them over.
Ito?
You're all that's left. Get it done.
Wala akong bala. Ganun ba?
There's a fight kicking off. Get ready to fight. You're next. Win here and you return to the front line.
Ay, dual
You lose,
pistol
your
pa.
fight is over. Sort them out or capture the objective. You got your arse in that one. We're sending you back to base. The enemy took that
May
one.
tama,
We're
bro.
back to finish the job.
Hindi mo na. Aga pa rin ko dito.
GG ka na, lads. Oh, dito pa? Mga caps. Dito pa o GG na?
This year we learned technology can replace many things, but we also learned there is no substitute for a hug. When you fly again, fly for what truly matters. We are ready to get you there. KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. Book your flight today on klm.com.
This is Ice-T and Stone Cold Steve Austin, and
We're on a mission to get America to switch to cold water washing with Tide.
it saves you energy.
And that saves you up to $150 a year on your energy bill.
Plus, Tide cleans better in cold than the bargain brand in hot. So what are you waiting for?
Turn to cold because Stone Cold said so.
Turn to cold with Tide.
Energy savings based on average when switching from hot to cold and non-HE machines. Performance based on Tide Power Pods versus leading baking soda packs.
Last night I had the strangest dream. Sailed away to China.
Holding for deployment.
Tap now.
Now's a good time to warm up.
Favorite 80s hits.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Fire! Taking shots here.
Hostile dropping into the area. What? Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale.
There's our season!
Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone. Move to that vehicle. Never mind.
That's our drop zone. Get ready.
There's our season!
Anyone got a mic?
Mover. Your primary objective is to kill them all. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Sort them out or Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. Yeah, you kicked their ass. Stand by for redeployment. Waypoint marked. Move. Sniper rifle here.
Aid station there. Check your map.
Enemies in the area!
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Marking rally point. Enemy UAV overhead. Setting waypoint. You're losing ground. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Aid station there. Check your map.
Body armor here.
Heard and understood.
I'll take it. Plunder cash here. Plunder cash here. LMG here. Does anyone need this?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Spotted some cash.
There. Going in.
Marking shotgun. Marking AR for enemy UAV overhead.
Body armor here.
Hard copy. That's mine.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Plunder cash here. Moving. Assault rifle here. LMG here. Body armor here. SMG here. Body armor here. Assault rifle here.
Gonna need some med-cal.
Sniper rifle here. Body armor here. Launcher here.
Could use some high caliber. Mid-caliber rounds located.
Let's get a loadout.
Right, I'm going.
Hold fire! Vendor here if you need equipment.
Buy station. Understood.
Trophy system deployed.
A loadout.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Got a loadout drop inbound. Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Spotted a care. Does anyone need this?
I'll take
An
that.
enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
I'm off that way. Disregard last.
Enemy here. Enemy here. I think they're in the loadout.
Contact! I'm under fire.
Check your fire.
Setting waypoint. Eyes on target. Losing ground. Have eyes on.
Waypoint marked.
We're not all here. Regroup the safe zone.
I'm alive. It's still alive.
Jailbreak. All prisoners will redeploy to the AO. Stand by.
Jailbreak.
You've done your time, soldier. Now get back out there. Tango.
Taking shots.
Someone by the rooftop. I down one.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
You hear?
Moving.
It's yeah, Mike.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Shotgun here. Someone came through here.
Gas
SMG
is
here.
closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
SMG here.
Gas is closing in.
Does anyone need this?
Enemy UAV overhead. Take that item.
Body armor here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Body armor here. Vendor here. Moving. Does anyone need this?
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Vendor here if you need equipment. Moving.
Enemy UAV overhead. You're losing ground.
Enemies in the area! Disregard last.
Marking hostile vehicle.
Setting charge.
Eyes on target.
Enemies in the area! Request recon flyover!
UAV entering the AO.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Marking rally point.
Moving.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. 50 remain
Moving.
in the AO.
Contact! Enemy in contact!
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Moving.
Setting AT mine.
Moving.
Gas is inbound.
Moving.
Contact front. Tango.
We have a long way to go. Let's move.
Waypoint marked. Move. Enemy UAV overhead.
Ako lang mag-isa, Lods. Pero babalik ako mamaya. Mga 15 minutes mag-atid ako. Pero pag maglalaro pa kayo, mamaya, sali ako.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Maglaro tayo. Isang game. Bago ako, ano.
Into the AO.
Anyone got a mic? Anyone got a mic?
Enemies in the contact. Enemy soldier incoming.
Lights out.
You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Battle Royale. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
LZ is set. Stick together. Up there. What do you say?
Affirmative.
I'm moving.
Does anyone need this? Does anyone need this?
Moving.
Disregard last.
On the move.
Affirmative.
Your primary objective is to kill them all. Supply box identified. Marking location now.
Body armor here.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location. Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location.
Enemy helo.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Enemy UAV overhead. Next objective located. Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found. Enemy UAV overhead.
I dropped the loadout by the parking lot.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. Proceed to the marked location and secure the area. You've got gas moving in.
All right, for cover. I'll drive. Let's go. This seems fine. I can take the wheel.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
What the? You're here.
You're safe. You lost the enemy trackers.
Hold still.
Enemies in the area. You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. The fight's on. While you wait, feel free to give these wankers a proper shield. And if you find something to throw, feel free to give them that as well. Fight's begun. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back to base.
Better you than me.
Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash. The enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Ay, ay. We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up.
kick this off.
Got a mic?
What?
Do you have a mic?
Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Oh, is that Nigga Burrito? Oh, that's Burrito for you.
What?
Targets are up.
Name Nigga Burrito?
Whoa, whoa.
Burrito? Like a burrito?
Burrito.
Like a burrito?
Yeah, Nigga Burrito.
Oh. I don't know what you're talking about.
Your username.
Oh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
What are you trying to do?
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh god, is your mom yelling at you?
Papi mo nyanyo.
Chupapi, chupapi.
Papi mo nyanyo.
Chupapi mo ninyo.
Whoa. Whoa. Fuck.
Enemy sighted.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Shoot them, not me.
Shoot them, not me. Check fire.
Gas is closing in.
Puta madre. I'm getting sniped. Somebody come save me. Baby shit.
Where is
Enemies in the area.
Up there on top of behind the crane, behind the crane.
Taking fire.
Kid behind the crane. Oh.
Round incoming.
Oh, in the building, in the building.
Contact.
He's over there on the shack, on the shack.
I killed your team with my hand, you fucking faggot.
Enemies in the area.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Ha, get your teammate. Ha, get your teammate.
I got 7 seconds behind you.
I'm mining on the roof.
I'm in.
Taking fire.
Remaining. Nicely done. soldier incoming.
Hostiles in the area.
Don't shoot me, you bastard!
Well, they had loadout.
That's team right, I'm good.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Holy shit.
Wala daw ba? Ganun.
Dude, some help! Some help! Killed every single fucking one of them.
Puto madre.
You will kill every single last one of them. Don't worry about it.
Losing ground. Be advised. Friendly
I want to move
precision
up.
airstrike
Cover me.
inbound.
That kid's hit cracked in there.
Is he in here? Is he in here?
Not too.
I'm hit! Everyone's in the safe zone now. Got him!
I think. Oh, we're team wiped.
That's team wipe? Alright, bet.
I need a new SMG.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I need to play bundle. Can you drop me like a little bit of money, buddy?
Sure.
Here, just come over here. Oh, never mind. I was gonna buy it, but.
Why'd you just drop me all that?
Oh.
Baby shit, give me 4K. Damn it.
Sorry, buddy.
Never mind. I got enough.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Gas is closing.
Fire
What?
First, I'm gonna get my selfie.
I'm on my last clip right now.
About taking selfies for you and them influencers?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Need ARM.
Coming.
Oh yeah.
Body armor here.
Drop all your plates. What a dummy. What a door.
What a dummy.
Oh, why'd you do that? Back up.
Hostiles in the area. Fire cells done.
Stunning.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I've got you!
Losing ground.
Let's go left. Let's go
Oh,
left.
I downed two outside. There's one inside and two inside the building, I think.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Team wipe.
Res me.
I've got you.
Someone on top of me.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Wipe all
This
those
kid had
out.
some. I think that's your AK right here. I think this is your AK.
Enemies in the area!
There's yourself.
Fuck them up.
Marking new safe
Remember to finish.
I did.
Rebirth is disabled. You guys can buy me back. Buy me back, buy me back.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Does anyone need this?
Thank you.
Ammunition here, ammunition. Good.
I need to get plates.
Here you go.
I want to buy a plate bundle.
There you go.
Launder cash here.
Thank you.
Should we move to the decon zone?
Buy station, buy
Bro,
station.
this is dead. I know, but now we're getting focused by them. And we have to move towards that.
No, let's just move away. Go to decon.
I think I made a mistake.
We have a long way to go. Let's move. Hostiles in the area.
Oh shit, this is gonna be a fucking trash push.
It's gonna be a bloodbath.
Yeah, that building, if we can get in it, we'll be okay.
Push.
Alright, I'm pushing with you.
Allied cluster strike inbound. Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
I sent cluster strike on top of here.
We have a long way to go. Let's move.
Wait, there's people above us. Wait for them to jump down.
I know.
Nice. Oh!
I'm here.
Less than 5 targets remain. Let's get it done.
It's nothing.
You got a plate, Rose. Oof.
Gotta climb up.
Your storm. Oh. You can't get up there. That kid's the last one right there, behind you.
Oh my god.
I just realized that. I was like,
Saved
what?
by the gas.
I did it.
GG.
Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico!
Viva Mexico.
Wait, did Devin leave?
¿Dónde está el pollo?
Papi Moñaño.
Chupapi Moñaño.
Papi Moñaño.
Look at the kills. Oh my gosh.
Look at the kills. Chupapi Moñaño. Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico!
Whoa.
Dude, Devin left and he didn't realize that I just clutched the 1v like 20.
Yeah, nigga. I kept telling y'all, come on, follow Billy. That's why I was the first one to make it to that motherfucker. I heard that nigga drop. I said, oh yeah.
That's your ass, Mr. Postman.
Thanks, man.
Wanna fight? Cause guess what? I learned how to fight like him. I beat his ass all the time. I beat his ass all the time. We used to beat. Y'all so bitch, you don't wanna fight me. Y'all beat his ass. You see these arms? I don't play about my nigga. Fuck the mother hoe. Bitches, chozo, sucking ass, no making money, asshole. Yeah, I've been called a bitch, but never called a hoe. I get plenty money and I'm
They said TV was the game winner. Alright, good.
All the poppin' coochie hoes and all the rich niggas will pull up. Finna throw somebody and pop some motherfucking coochie lips. All the poppin' coochie hoes. You number motherfucking 5. Bitch, you better learn how to pop that ass for some cash. If you get fired from Popeye's chicken like I did back in the day, bitch, you ain't gonna know how to pay no motherfucking bills. And rule number motherfucking 5. Bitch, you better learn how to pop that ass for some cash. Cause if you get... I would ask you to get this out, but I don't want you to like listen. Right here, look at this. This right here, this is my body. Yeah, this is my waist, and this is my titties. See, I got some big ass titties right here.
That bitch ghetto as fuck.
Fresh off the W.
Targets are up. Get to work. Bounty target is up.
Slut the bastard. And that nigga Sterl like shit. I'll get carried by Keith. I ain't tripping.
Nigga, please.
Oh, I didn't have 7 bodies? Okay.
You stealing kills, motherfucker.
Nigga, that wasn't stealing nothing.
I had 1,600 damage. 1 kill.
Yeah.
I swear to God. I need a fucking gun.
SMG here.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Sniper rifle. I'm taking under fire. They're gone. Rounds incoming.
I killed one of them bitch ass niggas, dog.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Time's up. Objective failed.
Target down.
That bitch, this bitch ass niggas right here.
You're losing ground. You evaded the enemy trackers. Good work.
Yo, where's some broker ass niggas? Where he ran to now? He ran you out your own hood.
Okay, come back
Hey,
to
we can
your
get a
hood,
loadout.
huh?
We can get loadout. Well, come on, let's go to the loadout then.
way.
It's on now, nigga.
Let's get to the top of y'all wanna get to the top of prison?
Nope.
That nigga said nope.
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Go ahead, this game.
Does anyone need this?
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Says the Wandler. Damn, who hit that motherfucker?
Enemies in the area!
Oh, y'all.
25 remaining.
Enemies in the area!
Nigga was about to smoke you, Steve.
Well done.
I am under fire!
Oh, damn. Girl, where you at?
Coming.
Damn, sound like the whole guy.
I was serving it.
Now go for the win.
I'm landing right there.
Into the AO.
Rocky system deployed!
That's gay as a bitch. It's whoever said they got deal. Drake, kill that bitch. There's another nigga behind him, Drake.
Taking fire! Enemies in the area! Enemies in the area! Motherfuckers!
The other nigga scooting. Get that scooting ass nigga too.
Yeah, bitch, you might as well kill yourself.
What the fuck? That nigga whooped my ass, kid.
Inbound. Marking new safe zone.
That loadout is
Fire sales
hectic.
active. Buy station costs are adjusted.
Fuck that, I'm just dropping off to get my old guns back.
Enemy
Fuck
dropping
that.
into the AO.
Listener, contact! 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 Fire here!
I'm just
Hey,
letting you
somebody
know,
got
Keith.
We're gonna come back for sure.
I get my rockets.
I'm letting you
Where's
know,
my
Keith,
rockets?
I'm like that.
Hey, Sterl, give me, somebody drop rockets. Purple, grab me my rockets. You got my rockets.
I don't have rockets.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Load up, load up.
Yeah, that nigga chop suey.
You've got
Bro,
gas
I don't.
moving in.
We're not all here. Regroup in a safe zone.
Damn, I don't have my sensor.
The hell you at?
Enemy dropping
Let's go
into the
back.
AO.
Back, 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 back.
You've got gas inbound.
Whoa.
Safe zone relocated.
Watch out for this water. Watch out for the water. Watch out.
Enemies in the area.
Fuck.
That nigga Keith's like a hard-headed ass kid. He lucky he got. I hate this ammo box.
My nigga. Oh shit. You got a gun for me, Uncle Padre?
Body armor here.
There's a satchel over here.
Lethal's here.
You can go back and get the weapons over there.
You're losing ground.
Bro, don't even do
10
it.
remaining. Keep it up.
Watch this roof.
Moving.
Everybody gotta come to us.
Yep, yep. There you. I see one coming now.
Contact. Contact. Contact.
Inside the
I down one.
I'm under fire.
nice, nice.
Target down.
Atrás de la...
We picking niggas, babe. We are picketing.
Oh yeah, that's game.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
That's game.
Easy.
Easy, nigga. 10 bodies, too. 10 of them.
Gas is moving.
10 of
Get to
them.
the safe zone.
Come on, y'all. Y'all gonna pick me up.
I got him. Game here,
Yeah.
nigga.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
10 bodies, Keith. That's how you do it.
That's how you do that
It's a
shit.
dead body wiener right there.
Back on us, nigga. He trying to creep
Hey,
up.
add us, man. We gonna run with you again, dog.
Hey, Bizzle, tell me I wasn't going crazy with the sniper. Make it, make it.
Pensé que le habíamos ganado, güey.
Yo papi moñaño.
Niggas suck.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That bit. We already did that bit. Bro, NGA Buto her. Wait.
Oh my god.
How did that happen?
Layo.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone. Does anyone need this? Hostile dropping into the area. What? Clear to engage all targets. Supply box identified. Marking location now. You're being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp. Enemy recon close to your area.
Enemies in the area!
Good effect on target.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Anyone need this?
Battle Royale. Gas is closing on your position.
We should
Suggest
drop
you get
there.
moving.
Anyone need this?
I'll take it.
Your primary objective is to kill them all. Supply box located. Move to secure.
There. I'm going.
Yo, what's up, y'all? I got Mike.
Taking fire!
Mike, turn on the mic. Bro, I'm getting the pistols. That's crazy.
I'm taking fire!
Top on top.
I'm hit!
Contract updated. New objective identified. Only 25
Got you
left.
down.
Keep up the good work. Next objective located.
Scavenger.
Vendor here. Get your supply.
I'm down at the bottom.
Cash over here.
Primary objective accomplished. All
Shit.
supply boxes found. Bounty target has been marked. Kill him. You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Ooh.
You've got gas moving in.
Plunder cash here.
Out.
Ammunition.
Mission. Got it. Here.
Dropping ammo.
Right there.
Nice, nice.
There you go. Some mics. There you go. Some mics, bro. What's good? That's what we needed. Communication key. Hey, somebody get UAV. Here. Somebody get an extra UAV. Here.
Drop the money. Thank you.
Cash here.
Popping UAV.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Cash over here.
Let me know when to pop it.
Enemy movement! I see movement!
inbound. Contact! They're targeting me. Bounty target is down. Request recon flyover. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
UAV entering the AO.
Where at, Mark? Purple Mark. Hey, what I call you, bro? What I call you? What I call you?
Go get the bounty.
Jacob? Jacob?
Be advised,
what was that?
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
What's your name, bro?
Bounty.
Dante?
I see movement.
Oh, someone's sniping. Someone's sniping from northeast.
You're being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp.
Northeast, northeast, northeast.
So
One number, one number. One number.
32.
32. Alright.
Oh shit.
Power through it. Contact.
You're here.
I've got the wheel.
Got him down with got him down with his own car. Let's go. I got that nigga down with his own car.
Nice.
I had a feeling it, bro. I don't know how the car didn't run me over. I was self-reviving. It did not get me down. As soon as you got out the car to end you, I was like, nigga, I'm gonna get the car right there. That's me.
Are they all dead?
I didn't see team wipe. I didn't see no team wipe out. I don't know.
I can come back for my loadout. Where's my weapon?
Yo, anybody else got a mic? Just me and Purple?
Did you have my RAM 7?
Running out. Get to the target area.
Yeah, somebody took my RAM 7.
Enemy movement.
Oh.
I'm getting this down.
What?
Oh, no. Is the whole team? Is the whole team?
Yeah, the whole team. Stay alive, stay alive. Time for you. I didn't know.
Or at least one of y'all back right. Alright. Hot. Watch out, watch out.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Wait, one down. Ah, hey, there's two. He's reviving. There's three. One's down. 5. They got self revive. Alright, stay alive. Left off, stay alive.
Stay alive.
But I'm floating. Floating, bro.
They're targeting me.
Oh shit, those dudes. Right there, they right there.
Taking rounds. Enemy dropping into the AO.
What the fuck?
Ah.
25 remaining. The enemy took that one.
They're everywhere.